So today I'm talking about a Dodge with the P0442 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. So what is a P0442? Well, it's an evaporative emission control small leak detected. And what does this mean? Well, basically there's a leak inside the evap system, and the evap system is what contains all the gas vapors inside the gas tank and sends them back to the engine to get burnt off. So if the onboard computer sees a leak inside of the system, this is one of the error codes it sends out. And so I'm going to go over the main causes and fixes for this. And the first cause is just going to be the gas cap. This is fairly common. It might not be the gas cap, but it's the first thing to check because it's part of the evap system and it needs a seal. Go ahead and take your gas cap off. Be sure the seal around there looks good and that there's no debris or nothing blocking it from closing and locking in all the way. And if it does look bad, then you could just go ahead and replace it. But be sure to get an original gas cap, because sometimes you get these aftermarket third-party gas caps and they don't work so good. So be sure to go to an auto parts store or something like that and get the original gas cap that should go to that vehicle. That way you know it's not an issue. But number one is going to be go check the gas cap. And the next thing is going to be the purge valve solenoid. And what this does is it just has a small valve in here that stays closed when the engine's off, and then it opens when the engine's running so the gas vapors can go back into the engine and get burnt off. It's really simple little device. And what they do is when they go bad, the valve gets stuck open or closed or something along these lines, and so it causes an error in the system. And so quite commonly they just simply need to be replaced. And they're usually pretty simple to swap out. They'll usually just have like 2 bolts holding them in, a harness, and like 2 hoses going to it, and they'll be located up on top of the engine. So they're quite commonly pretty easy to swap out. One thing is be sure this harness is plugged in good, because bad wiring can also cause the same symptoms as the bad purge valve. But number 2 is going to be the purge valve. And next up is going to be the charcoal canister. This can be located differently, but it's usually located underneath the vehicle up by the gas tank, but you have to Google your Dodge to find out where it's at. They'll usually have 2 to 3 hoses going to it, and then what they do is they have little seals inside of here, and they could get old and cracked and just start leaking, and so the evap canister might just need to be replaced. And so number 3 is going to be check the evap canister. And the last thing is going to be all these hoses. These hoses, they run around, they go from the charcoal canister to the purge valve, and they go back to the gas tank. And if any of these hoses have a bad connection or anything like this, or they get cracked and they just start leaking, then this could cause a problem. It'll obviously cause a small leak. So they need to go around and check all these hoses and be sure they all look good. If you took it to a mechanic shop, what they'll do is they'll feed smoke into the evap system, and they'll look for where the smoke comes out, and then they'll know where the leak's at, so it makes it easier for them to find. But if you don't have a smoke machine, you can still try to find the leaks by just following these hoses around and looking, because you can see if it looks cracked or if it's got a big crack on the side right here, you know that's just leaking, and so it needs to be replaced. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to go over what you could do if you get a Dodge with the P0442 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helped you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.